Given the booming state of the animation industry, which currently generates billions of dollars, it is evident that there is a continuous and increasing demand for animated content. What's even more surprising is that YouTube creators are now raking in millions of dollars by producing videos with basic 2D animations. In light of this remarkable growth, it prompts the question, why are we falling behind? It's high time for us to seize this opportunity and become a part of this billion-dollar animation industry. Furthermore, if you lack experience or the proficiency to operate complex software like Blender 3D, there's no need to fret. We will harness the power of artificial intelligence to craft animated videos. Our role will solely entail providing prompts, while the AI will adeptly handle all the technical aspects. So, let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Creating a compelling video necessitates an enthralling narrative. To simplify this tutorial, we will craft a concise adventure tale spanning just 200 words. However, for your actual audience, it is imperative to create a narrative that is both more captivating and original. If you are unfamiliar with utilizing ChatGPT for this purpose, I recommend watching my previous video, where I elucidate how to generate unique and engaging stories using this tool. You can find the link in the description below or by clicking the I button on the screen. If you have any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. To effectively bring our story to life through animation, we will employ an impressive tool known as Steve AI. Steve AI is a text-to-video converter that facilitates the creation of both live-action and animated videos based on written content. It boasts exceptional user-friendliness. If you are new to Steve AI, you will need to register for an account. To do so, simply click on the Sign Up for Free button and proceed to create an account using either your email address or Google account. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the Creator page, where the enchantment of transforming text into captivating videos occurs. Commence by exploring the array of options available, such as transforming text into a video or animation, converting audio into a video, or even morphing a tweet into a video. Steve AI excels at video creation. For this tutorial, our focus will be on crafting an animation video. Click on Text to Animation and select the video type, specifically animation. Then opt for the video ratio, with 16:9 being ideal for YouTube videos. Subsequently, choose the category for your video and concoct an attention-grabbing title. After these preliminary steps, click on V8 Sample Script, and Steve AI will generate a sample script based on your story. Now, return to ChatGPT, copy your adventure story, and paste it into Steve AI. Click Next to proceed. Now, it's time to choose a template for your video. The AI will generate visuals and storyboards for your video based on your script. Diligently review each scene and make necessary adjustments. While I will expedite this part for brevity, it is paramount to allocate ample time for editing, as it plays a pivotal role in making a positive impact on your audience. With the visual editing completed, it's time to incorporate a voiceover into your video. You have two options: either record your voice or employ the voice generation feature of Steve AI. For this video, we will leverage Steve AI's voice generation. Select the desired language, accent, and gender for the voiceover. Steve AI offers a plethora of voice models to choose from. After making your selections, click Generate. You can then play the video to assess the voiceover, which should sound remarkably natural thanks to Steve AI's exceptional voice generation capabilities. With all elements in place, it's time to publish the video. Click the Publish button and Steve AI will commence processing the video. Once the processing is complete, you can download the final version. Your animation video is now primed for action. Click the Download button to save it. We have successfully created an animation video ready for upload to your YouTube channel, potentially yielding real monetary returns. That concludes today's tutorial. I hope you found it engaging and enlightening. If you have any questions or require further guidance, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. Also, please consider liking and subscribing if you found this video valuable. Thank you for watching, and until next time, continue animating and nurturing your creativity. I took on a big challenge that brought together technology and creativity. I wanted to build an online business using something called ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence program, and then see if the stuff we made with it could sell well when we put ads online. The results were really amazing, and I'm excited to tell you all about it. Let's dive into the story step by step. Imagine a journey where machines and human smarts work together to create something new and exciting. That's what I set out to do. I wanted to create a business that used AI to help make a product, and then I wanted to see how well we could sell that product using ads on the internet. This journey was like a puzzle, different pieces, and as I put them together, a bigger picture began to emerge. In today's world, computers and the internet play a big role in how we do things. People are even using AI to help them do tasks and make decisions. So, I came up with a challenge for myself to build an entire online business using AI and then test its power by running ads to sell a product. This product was an ebook, which is like a digital book about habits, along with a printable planner. I thought this would be a good way to show how AI and human creativity could work together to create something useful. To start this journey, I used ChatGPT to help me come up with a plan for the ebook. It gave me ideas for different chapters and what should be in each one. This was like the blueprint for the ebook, helping me see how it would all come together. With the blueprint in hand, I started writing the content for the ebook. I asked ChatGPT for help, and it gave me ideas for the chapters. It was like having a virtual co-writer. Each time I needed help with what to write, I would ask ChatGPT, and it would give me suggestions. This made the writing process much smoother. Now, every book needs a catchy title. Instead of spending money on a professional, I turned to ChatGPT for ideas. It gave me a list of possible titles, and 4 Weeks to a Better You stood out. It sounded exciting and promising, just like what the ebook was about. Next, I needed a short phrase for the front cover of the ebook, called a tagline. This phrase is like a sneak peek that tells people what the ebook is all about. ChatGPT helped me come up with different options, and Unlock Your Potential felt just right. It captured the idea that reading the ebook could help you become better. With the content and the cover ideas in place, I moved on to the design part. I used a tool called Canva to create a simple and eye-catching ebook cover. It had the tagline at the top, the ebook title in the middle, and a picture that showed what the ebook was about. Even though it was a simple design, it looked really cool and professional. After getting the ebook ready, the next step was to create a place online to sell it. I decided to use a landing page on a platform called Shopify. This landing page was like a special web page where people could learn about the ebook and buy it. I planned it out on Google Docs first, and then I used Shopify to build the actual landing page. The landing page needed to be interesting and convincing, so I put different parts on. At the top, there was a big headline that caught your attention. Right below that, there was a picture of the ebook and all the cool things it could do. This part was like showing off the product to make people curious. To make people trust the ebook, I added reviews from people who liked it. These reviews were like little notes from customers saying how great the ebook was. I put one review at the top to grab attention and another one further down to keep people interested. But what really mattered was connecting with people and showing them how the ebook could help. I made a part on the landing page where I talked about common problems people had. Then I introduced the ebook as the solution to these problems. This was like saying, hey, we know what you're going through, and we have something that can help. After that, I showed each template from the ebook one by one. I gave each template a catchy name and a short description. This part was like showing all the cool things the ebook could help you do. To answer questions people might have, I added a section with frequently asked questions. It had information about the ebook to help people understand it better. This part was like talking to customers and making sure they had all the information they needed. With the landing page set up, it was time to make ads to tell people about the ebook. I used Canva again to create images for the ads. These images showed some of the ebook's templates and had a short headline on top. It was like making little posters to get people interested, but the images weren't enough. I also needed words to go with, so I wrote some short sentences called ad copies to explain what the ebook was all about. I used words from the landing page and added emojis to make it fun. This was like writing a quick message to tell people why they should check out the ebook. With the ads ready, I launched a campaign on Facebook and Instagram. This campaign was like sending out invitations to a big event. I wanted people to know about the ebook, so I used these platforms where lots of people hang out online. The campaign was like a symphony with different parts. Each part, called an ad set, had its own budget and audience. I wanted to reach people who were interested in self-development, so I targeted them. The budget was like the money I was willing to spend on each ad set. As the campaign started, I watched the numbers and data to see how it was going. The first day was exciting. People clicked on the ads, some added the ebook to their cart, and one person even bought it. It felt like a small victory, a sign that the ebook was interesting to people. The next day, the engagement continued. More people clicked, more added to cart, and a few more even bought the ebook. It was like a rhythm, a steady beat of interest and curiosity. When the campaign was over, I looked at all the numbers. People had clicked, added the ebook to their cart, and some had bought it. The data showed a pattern of engagement, like footprints on a digital trail. But there was something important to understand. Even though we sold a few ebooks, we didn't make a profit right away. And that's okay. Starting a business and making it profitable takes time. This part of the journey was like planting seeds. You have to wait and nurture them before you see the flowers bloom. In the end, was this challenge a failure? Definitely not. It was a step forward, a lesson learned, and a glimpse into what's possible. The ads collected valuable information, and the engagement showed that the ebook had potential. The journey was like a puzzle with some pieces in place and others waiting to be discovered. As I reflect on this journey, I see a promise. The story doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. There's room for improvement, for trying new strategies, and for making the ebook even better. This tale is a reminder that success takes time, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. To wrap things up, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll always know when we release new videos about making money online. Thank you again for being part of our community, and I'm excited to share our next video with you.